Hey, Spirit Boosters, welcome to my world of hobbies, crafts, and tasks. I hope you enjoy watching each and every moment of this video.
Hello. Hey, Spirit Boosters, it is I, back with another video, just talking about what I'm going to be doing for the new year. This area is where the front door is located in my home, and this is where I'm going to be starting. I have to wash walls, do some paint, and then I'm going to show you this disgusting floor from all the packages being delivered here. This rug got filthy as I don't know what. I need a carpet cleaner or a new carpet. Ha! One or the two. Whatever you see, this carpet is filthy. It's filthy. It looked like dirt. It looked like a dirt carpet, as I can show you guys, if y'all can see all this filth. But anyway, like I said, some painting, wall wash, all that stuff. It's dirty up here. I don't even know who hand got way up here. It's just a mess. But anyway, I'm going to take care of it. Because home is where your story begins. How about that? But anyway, I do got a few items here that I got for in the survival mode, collecting food and drinks, sitting here in the hallway by the front door. This is why it's so filthy. And also, we weren't taking our shoes off before we were coming. My camera cut off. But anyway, I'm just sharing this mess with y'all to let y'all see what's going on. I got to catch up on my videos. Anyway, this is the start of my cleaning, whatever. I don't know if I'm going to come back in intervals to be showing y'all, but I'll be back. Anyway, check this other stuff out.
Hey, Spirit Boosters, it is I, Janita, back again trying to do another video in my room, trying to get some crafting done. I shared with y'all my dirty, filthy, nasty hallway from the front door. Now I'm moving on to what I'm talking about, crafting. I'm supposed to be making a Spirit Booster sign. Supposed to be. I'm working on it. It's taking me a few minutes. Why I'm out of breath, I don't know. Losing weight. But anyway, this is my little crafting girl I made a while back. There goes some of my little dolls. I'm trying to get my stuff together, y'all. I'm working diligently. I'm trying to get it all done. It's taking me a minute. Well, anyway, I just get over that and continue to work hard, get this mission done, and share my doggone finished products with my Spirit Boosters and passerbys, visitors, and all that come across my channel. Hope you guys continue to enjoy my videos. Now I'm about to go check out the garden and add that in here too, because I got so many projects, so many tasks. I got a little reading done. I want to continue reading. Let me go to I don't know what y'all can see, but we on the balcony. This is where I brought you. This is where we gonna end it. All this new growth after all this fresh rain. This camera about to cut off, but there's the big picture. Everything doing good. Hope y'all can see, because the sun is all over everything. Look at that big tree plant there. Fabulous. So I went from the dirty floor to the crafting to the balcony to the garden. To my balcony garden with all my little plants. Look at the basil. It's beautiful. I need to do something to it. I need to pluck it. That right there is it. Going to seed. Oh, okay, we're gonna end this right here with this picture right here. Hope you guys enjoy what I'm sharing. Don't forget to like, you guys, and continue to subscribe to this channel. Now let me show you something else. I think tips: just stay in survival mode. Read any and all messages in the description. Boosters, we are continuing with this video, sharing with y'all my crafting loom set. I'm about to get a new one, and I have one that I haven't even used yet that makes blankets. Can't wait to handle that. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to get a Spirit Booster sign and some other things that I want to share with you guys, some projects that I want to have for the new year that I'm going to be sharing with y'all. And look at that, Aura, what is it? Ionic facial steamer. Haven't used it yet. Got the bunny ears in there. Got it from Sam's Club. And it's another product that my daughter had gotten me. It was a hair dryer for natural hair. And I haven't used that yet either. Got several things over here that I haven't used yet. Sorry for that glare. If you guys can even see that on that box, my crafting box. Yeah, I'm in the looming, knitting, crocheting. Have a box of yarn. I'm over here, well, earlier in the week, last week, I was working on some new leg warmers. I like leg warmers. Sorry, y'all. I just love them. And, wait, where my leg warmers? Let me share with y'all the ones I did make previously. I don't know. This is the first pair of leg warmers that I made. Got flowers on there. And I put a little happy face on there winking. And as you can see back there, I put some elastic around the leg. But yeah, these are my first pair of leg warmers. And yes, I'm going to make more because I love them. I haven't done gloves yet. But I'm sure I can do whatever. I put my mind to it, it's done. Usually I'm working without a pattern. That's just me. I just create and make it flow like it flow. But yep, that's what I'm thinking about doing, my crafting, because I'm missing it dearly. And my reading, too long gone from it, because I'm sounding ignorant as hell. Can't have that. I must know what the hell it is I'm trying to say. But anyway, hope all y'all had a Merry Christmas. And hope you're going to have a Happy New Year. Be safe out there. Remember to pay attention to your surroundings, because people are mugging folks for whatever. Who knows? So much going on in this world. But I'm just going to get all wrapped and caught up in my hobbies, my gardening, crafting, and messing around in the kitchen, cooking food from scratch. And that dang apple cobbler was so delicious, even better the next day. I'm about to go in there. I don't know, I got this thing. I want to just keep making biscuits from scratch. The more experience I have, I just love it. No, you know, making them not perfect, but good. I'm enjoying every minute. My husband loved my little biscuits. I remember back in the day, they always would be rocks. I just could never figure it out because I didn't study. Why? But now I do study what I do now. Most of the time, more often than usual. More often, not. Well, anyway, I'm doing it more often, so therefore I'm getting some experience. There you go. That's what it takes. Practice does make you better. I'm not going to say perfect, but it do make you better. Something you want to do, keep at it until you feel like it's what you want. But I always know it can always be improved. And I don't know. I'm just sharing with y'all. Well, most of the stuff that's going to be happening next year is me trying to clean up a lot of this stuff around here. I need to go back in my bedroom closet. It is so cluttered. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching an episode of Hobbies, Crafts, and Tasks. See you soon, Spirit Boosters.